Hi friends, this is Vivin and today we are with the Coocaa 32-inch TV and as you know that Coocaa is a global TV brand coming to India with few of its product ranges for Indian consumers. We will see in this video the box content and how the device looks, what are the key features of this Coocaa 32-inch smart TV. This is definitely a HD TV. We will talk about the TV in detail later on with the ports and everything. So keep watching the video to know about the Coocaa 32-inch SD Smart TV. Hi friends, today we are with a new TV, Coocaa. The name is Coocaa, and this is a new smart TV series launched in India, and we have the 32-inch with us. Here you can see it has a 4-star rating. Let's unbox this and see the what are the box content. After taking out the TV from the box, here we find it comes with the power button which is placed in the bottom side. It also has two down firing speakers with 8 watt, and they are 8 watt plus 8 watt. It means that it is a 16 watt speaker with the sound technology of Dolby Digital. We are also getting some screws to mount and also the stand for it. There are some paperwork. It includes a warranty card, a welcome guide, and also how to mount your screws for the stand, and lastly there is a user manual. And we get the remote with the two batteries coming inside the box only. The remote is very simple. There is no dedicated button for any apps. You are getting a 2-pin adapter. And if we talk about the ports which are coming into the backside, is the 3.5mm jack. There is a digital audio output and video output are also there. HDMI 3 is present, so this is the third HDMI port. There are other two HDMI ports on the side. If we go from the back panel, here on the side we are getting a USB panel. There is an antenna where you can put your cable network, and there is also a PC audio in. There is a PC in which you can put the VGA cable, and also there are two HDMI ports present on the side. If we have a side look, it comes with a plastic overall back, and it has a very slim kind of design in the front. The panel is very slim. If it see from the front, you are getting a Wi-Fi signal. There is a power button in the bottom which I have told you earlier. So this power button will switch on the TV, and you can see it has a very small and less bezels on the side. It comes with a 32-inch with 230 nits of brightness. It has a refresh rate of 60 Hz. It comes with a single core processor, and also it has a Wi-Fi inbuilt. It comes with the OS which is Linux based, and it comes with the apps which are supported are Hungama TV, YouTube, Watch In, there is Radio Line, Tune Google. So these are the apps which are inbuilt. If you want to get a better experience of a smart TV, you can install the Chromecast or Fire Stick with this. 675. If we talk about the RAM, there will be two options, 4GB and 6GB. This is a 6GB variant. And if we talk about the, there is just a small video playback how the video resolution looks. It supports maximum up to 720p because this is a HD TV, and the resolution if we talk about it is 1366 into 768. So here we have the TV. Overall it looks pretty much premium also at the same time, and it has very thin bezels, looking good. It comes with a YouTube app, but you can have Fire Stick or Chromecast to enhance your experience. This will be exclusive on Flipkart and is priced for 8,999, which is 9,000 bucks. So this is all about the Coocaa TV 32-inch. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.